Hi everyone, this is Idea Mela. In this video, I will show an exciting innovation competition. It's known as Tata Innovers. So here they are coming up with a very relevant innovation competition, that is early prediction risk of fire in electric vehicle lithium-ion batteries. So sealed lithium-ion batteries pack cells based on LFP chemistry and prismatic cell format are stored at approximately 40% state of charge in a warehouse environment. So they are seeking solution that can provide early warning of thermal instability or potential fire risk in sealed lithium-ion batteries during warehouse storage and during transportation from supplier to factory. So the last date for application of for this competition is 16 September 2026. So what are they going to award you for this? So they are going to award you with reward money paid in exchange of legally acquiring the solution, implementing it to solve the problem and meeting the success criteria. Milestones for paying the reward money would depend upon the complexity of the challenge and maturity of the proposed solution, which would be discussed with the solver as soon as the proposed solution is selected by them. Okay, so to give the background, they have given the background, the current storage configuration which is there in the platform. So they are seeking solution that can provide early warnings of thermal instability or potential fire risk in sealed lithium-ion batteries during warehouse storage and during transportation from supplier to factory. So you can go ahead and apply for this if you have solution to this challenge. So if you like our video, please do leave a like, and if you want to get updated about various opportunities similar to this, then please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's known as Idea Mela. Thank you very much.